Hello everybody, it's Rose and I'm back to continue what's starting to feel like the never-ending story of the PeggyBuy humongous haul of free diamond paintings. So I have opened 10 so far, so this is number 11. I am looking out my balcony window whilst I reach in. This time I'm not going to pick from the top. I'm going to reach right down to the bottom of the bag. And I'm going to pick out this one. Wow! I don't know if it's a wow. It might be one of the ones that I would never have bought if it hadn't been for my rules, which are in the organizing or getting ready to open diamond painting, these diamond paintings video in the playlist that I've got linked up here. And if you want to skip to the rules, you'll find those at 5 minutes and 45 seconds into that getting ready to open or unbox or whatever it was video. All right, so let's open this up. There we go. Nothing else in the bag. Oh, okay. All right. So this is, all right. So just because I have to, here's the regular toolkit. Single placer, green boat, no funnel, no opening, and yeah, crappy wax. So I'll add that to the pile. So, okay, this is what I call Purple Birds and Flowers. And I believe this is the 30 by 30. Because in one of the other unboxings, I got the same painting, and again, that's what you need the rules for. You know what? This is not good with the sun shining like this. I'm going to pause. I'm going to pause and wait until there's not the bars across the picture to finish this video. So I'll come back. I will leave this here like this, and it'll be a second for you, but it'll probably be 20 minutes or half an hour for me, okay? Okay, so the light is a little bit better. I mean, it's still throwing shadows, but it's not that bad. Okay, so I had rules that if the painting was being offered on sale, I had to buy all the different sizes and variations of that painting. So this one came in 2 free sizes. I did the unboxing for this. That's in the little eye up above. If you click on that playlist, you can take a look at that video if you like. And here is the smaller size. So I call this Purple Birds and Flowers. I label them after I do the videos. Let's see, they both have 24 colors. It's interesting, they don't use the same code for everything. That's weird. 6, 7, 8, 10 is C, 15 is L, 19 is S, 22, oh here's where it changes. 21 is U on the small one. No, 22 is X on the big one, but W on the small one. So this goes XYZ and this goes WXY. There's no W on this one. Okay, but there's the same number of colors. I wonder if the colors are the same. Yeah, the colors are the same for the 2 paintings. So let's take a look at the difference in quality of the picture, let's say. So that is the 40 by 40. It's a 34 by 34 drill space. This one is, I think it's supposed to be 30 by 30. I forgot to bring my computer back to the table. So let's just see. Yeah, it's 31 by 30. It would have been 30 if they had cut it on the blue line that sort of frames the picture. And the drill space is 24 by 24. All right, so that extra 10 centimeters of drill space on each side of the picture, because really what you're looking at, because I'm lining these up here, what you're looking at is that much more on the top and I'm not folding them really hard because I don't want the creases to stay in there forever. But that extra 10 centimeters, that's what an extra 10 centimeters means in terms of quality. So, I mean, that might still, yeah, those don't really look like birds on the small one anymore. No, they don't. Nope. Whereas here, that looks like birds. You can tell it's a nest with eggs in it. Here, I'm not so sure. Anyway, so both of these were free, but I had to pay $7.22 shipping for each of them, and they were all ordered, shipped, and delivered on the same days. So January 3rd was the order date, January 11th the shipping date, and January 30th the delivery date. I need to check on my computer to find out what the current price of this one is now. The current price of this small one is $6.90. So I paid 32 cents more by buying it when it was free. On the other hand, the large one was $9.90. So I got that one for more than $2 less than the regular price. So, so buying these two together, I was still ahead $2, over $2. So that's, I guess, not a bad thing. But this one here, like that one's not good for anything. That one might be one I give away to my niece or something like that. Yeah, because I'm not too sure I love it. Now, just to be absolutely consistent, let me put this one back away. Just to be absolutely consistent, oh, this is fraying here. That's okay, doesn't matter. I don't really care. I'm gonna peel back the plastic, and yeah, the glue's good and sticky. The canvas doesn't look too bad on that side, so that's good. I'll use my handy dandy tongue depressor, which I'm becoming quite fond of, to flatten out and get rid of the air bubbles. It's not perfect, but it isn't bad. It's better than a popsicle stick because it's wider and it's actually, like, it doesn't have any sharp edges anywhere. I guess it wouldn't, since it is meant to go down into your mouth. Okay, and then I'll turn it over and do this side. Okay, yeah, that's good enough. That'll do. Yeah. Okay, so there we go. I guess it's a little flatter. I'm never too sure whether pulling back the plastic on the plastic covered ones flattens them or whether it's the pressing down that flattens them. So, okay, so there's that. The colors are the same, but in case you didn't see the other video, I will show you all of the colors. And I'll do my little 1, 2, 3 count. All right. And I'm going to turn on the light because the sun is, I don't know what the sun's going to do to this. Okay, so we've got 1. And do these have DMCs? Yeah, they do. I can't actually, I'm being blinded by the sun, so I can't see anything. 2, 3, 4, and a little stowaway. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I can't see these colors at all, which is why I'm not oohing and awing over them. Like I'm completely blinded by the sun that's shining into my eyes, burning into my eyes. Okay, 17, 18, 19. Oh, and there's 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So that's it for the smaller purple birds and flowers. I wouldn't buy it in this size. I wouldn't buy another painting with this much detail in this size ever again. Even if it's free, I would change my rules. Even if it's free, I wouldn't do it. Even if it's really free. But maybe you would. Oh, I didn't show you the drill area. I'll show you the drill area. It's very clear. There's no question about that. But, like the others, well, I guess it does have circles around. Well, there's no circles around the numbers, but there are very, very faint circles on the canvas around the, well, the numbers are printed on slightly lighter circles of color. So, I don't know. Like I say, I like that. Some people like to have the black circles that they can, you know, use to guide their diamond placement. So it's up to you whether you choose to buy this canvas, knowing that about it. So thanks everybody for your attention. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for coming back to visit my channel. If you haven't already done so, why don't you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting many, many more of these unboxing videos, and I'll be doing all kinds of other videos as well. I'm constantly thinking of new ideas. I just haven't had the time to try them all out. So anyway, stick around for more videos in the coming days. And send me your comments. I love to get your comments. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.